What's good, and good morning from Africa. We're gonna do a really quick Bitcoin video as today is my 28th birthday and I have a pretty lady coming over in an hour because you know it's my special day and you know what that means. Okay, so we're currently sitting at 39,954. We're currently up 0.09% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 750 billion and the 24-hour volume is 34 billion. Now guys, there is a reversal pattern. I posted it on the Discord just over an hour ago. You can see here we are seeing a diamond reversal, which is a reversal pattern to the downside. So we're gonna pop into that. If you guys would like to sign up to the Discord, it's the price of a coffee, terrific way to support the channel. And I post chart patterns as well as bullish and bearish divergences to help you guys as traders. So we'll start here on the hourly chart. So there's a couple factors that are telling us that the price is going to reverse. We have our diamond reversal pattern. We have our bearish divergence on the hourly as well as on the 4-hour chart. And someone else posted CoinsKid's tweet that CoinsKid posted just a few minutes ago, and he's also seeing a rising wedge. Go check out his channel. He's an absolute technical analysis wizard in my opinion, and definitely worth subscribing to. So he's noticing a rising wedge here as well. So quite a few different factors that are showing us that the price is going to reverse here. Now I had dropped in this level of support at 38,643 when I noticed our bearish divergences in yesterday's video. We did come down and test that level of support, and I've also dropped this level in about 36,415, which I do think is a possibility here. As you can see here on the 4-hour chart, we are having that bearish divergence. We also have a head and shoulders on the RSI. You have your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, and here would be your neckline. So if you do see us start to break that neckline on the RSI, we'll bring you back down here to about 35 on the RSI, which of course would bring you down to about 36,415 in my opinion. Just remember guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada who's currently in Africa. All right guys, so please keep an eye on these patterns. If you see us fall out of this diamond pattern, if you see us fall out of this rising wedge, you can see your technical target from your rising wedge is down here at 36,415. That level of support that we've been going over in yesterday's video. So we're going to quickly pop over to the daily. I talked about us being overextended guys, and it would be healthy for us to see a correction. So if we do come down to this level of support, we'll find support here along the EMAs. The chart will heal up a little bit here. We come down, we consolidate, we find support. The EMAs catch up, we reset on the RSI, and then we see our next leg up to break 42K. All right, guys, that's the likely scenario in my opinion. You can go short if you see us start to break down from this rising wedge and go short down to about 36,415. So just a very quick update. It's not going to be super in depth. Let's look over the DXY. Just because, you know, it's my birthday, it's time to celebrate. All right, guys, so absolutely beautiful to see the DXY fall out of its rising wedge. Now you can see here the target has almost been met from our rising wedge pattern. We have been anticipating this, guys. I have been going over the bearish divergence on the RSI. You can see here the price of the DXY was rising and the RSI was falling. I have been going over this the last few days here, and I was expecting us to fall out of this pattern, and that's exactly what has happened. So once we come down and meet our technical target here, we may see a little bit of a bounce. And if we see that little bit of a bounce, that's when you're going to see the price of Bitcoin start to fall down to around 36,425. And most likely what we'll see is the DXY sees a little bit of a bounce before continuing to the downside. That's the bullish scenario. Of course, that's what we want to see here. And then what will happen is Bitcoin will come down to 36,425, find a strong level of support, hold the EMAs, and bounce up and head towards 42K. If we were to lose this level, guys, 36,425, then I would target right here at about 34.5K, which was a major level of support, and it was also a major level of resistance for us to break through, in my opinion. And we absolutely just blasted right through it. So if we were to lose that level 36,425, then you can target 34,502. Now I hope you guys capitalize on getting out of your trades. As I had mentioned here, I'm just going to quickly pop Bitcoin back open on the 1 hour. As I had mentioned here with the bearish divergences in yesterday's video, I literally got out of my trades right at 40K. Right when this candle wick came up, I'm like, okay, it's time. You know, like I feel like the price is going to reverse. We're seeing the bearish divergences. And then price came down to about 38K. So I really capitalized. I got out of my trades that I had entered right around here that I was talking about in my video a few days back. Because if we do come down to 36K, if we were to lose that level and come down to 35, well, I would basically evaporate all my gains. So I decided to get out of those trades, lock in those profits. So these bearish divergences is huge, guys. As a trader, it can make all the difference in locking in your profits. Don't get greedy, guys. Sometimes the bearish divergences get invalidated and price continues to rise. That's okay, guys. You locked in some juicy gains, and that's what's important. Some of the most important things you'll learn as a trader are the most simple. Don't be greedy. If you see bearish divergences, if you see reversal patterns, yes, they can be invalidated, but it's better to take profits than to suffer and watch your profits absolutely deplete or go into the negative. Take profits, manage your losses, use stop losses. If price starts to go down and you're in the negative, don't think, well, it's gonna bounce really soon, because sometimes it can plummet further. And if you're on like cross margin trading and you're trading with leverage, well, you can get your whole account liquidated. All right, guys. So a little bit of advice from Jaxx. I may get one more video today, but I don't have much time. The pretty lady is going to be here in an hour, and, you know, I want to clean up a little bit and, you know, do a little sweep of the crib. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love. Take care.